It's a perfect time to focus on your health. Research has shown that during the pandemic, up to 40% of women reported that they skipped preventative health services and routine checkups. I actually spoke with a doctor and nurse about this. Here's more in this next sponsored segment. During the pandemic, ladies, thank you so much for waking up with us to talk about this important topic, because during the pandemic, so many women neglected going to the doctor. And there's a lot of times that we need to seek healthcare and we haven't. So tell me a little bit more about this.
Oh, Maggie, I'm so glad you brought this up, because during the pandemic, about 40% of women delayed healthcare. They didn't get their pap smears, their annual physicals, or their mammograms, and that screens for cancer. But they also were not talking about those vaginal infections that never seem to go away. But it's May, Mother's Day is around the corner. It's Women's Health Awareness Month. So why not turn that around and start focusing on your own healthcare?
Why would you say that women skipped this preventative healthcare during the pandemic?
Oh, understandably, they were super busy, right? We were all busy. And sometimes we ignore symptoms because we just hope they go away. But sometimes it's because we're embarrassed, because these are personal and private issues. And if you're suffering with a vaginal yeast infection, you're not alone. 70% of women will have a vaginal yeast infection at least once, and half of us will have multiple episodes. Don't let fear and embarrassment prevent you from seeking health care.
And ladies, let's be real. We've all been there, right? And
Yeah, right.
Absolutely miserable. We can agree on that. So, doctor, why is it so important to see your doctor about a yeast infection?
The reason you have to see your doctor is that ignoring it doesn't make it go away. You just suffer and the symptoms just seem to get worse. I understand, my fellow women, why you may not want to go, because in the last 20 years, it's been the same type of medicine, not much advancement, whether you're getting over-the-counter prescription medicine. And if this medicine hasn't worked for you in the past, sometimes you just like yield and just choose to suffer in silence. But that has to stop. In the last year, we have had some break and some hope in the horizon with new advancements in treatment options.
So tell me a little bit more about those advanced treatments.
So in the last year, we have had a novel class of antifungals. So a new way to treat the yeast infection that actually kills the yeast. And the drug that is available now is called Brexafemme. Brexafemme is a one-day treatment for yeast infections. Now, it is not appropriate for everyone, especially women who are pregnant. So you need to discuss this with your healthcare provider. No more need to suffer in silence, because there are alternatives that you can possibly benefit from.
Well, ladies, thank you so much for lending your voice to this important topic and letting us all know that we're not alone. Where can we go for more information?
Well, for more information, you can go to www.yourthehealth.com. And what do you think V stands for? Well, it stands for vagina. So yourthehealth.com.
All right, ladies. Well, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.